Today we will discuss about the topic leadership skills. Okay. So before getting into the topic, I would like to have a few questions about. Let me just check. What is leader according to you, Afrika?
Ma'am, a leader who pushes a group of people to achieve a goal. He influences and motivates the people to do the work properly with a motivated thought, and he pushes to work forward.
Yes. Good. So leadership skills. So if you see, when you are assigned as a leader, what do you think? So I'm the leader, I should lead the team. So it is not that the skill is something like where you have to guide someone. So a leader should guide someone, inspire someone, motivate someone. There should be a team goal where we have to complete a certain things in a certain period. So it is a team work actually. So leadership skills include firstly teamwork in a person. So that I would like to make it more important. Leadership skills. And a good leader should have a vision on his goal. His vision, no, it is not that my vision. So when I am a leader, I should think about all my team members. So I'm just leading, a person who just lead. So there I should always think about everyone's point of view and suggestions in all my moves. Okay, so most of the leaders, the failure leaders, if you see, they'll be very commanding. They'll not listen to the other side. So that leads a weak performance in the team. So you have to let your ears to each and everyone, their opinion, their suggestion on all whatever we do because it is a team. So that thing is very, very important. So other than that, you will have a vision, you will have a goal, how you work, how you manage the time to complete in a particular given period. So all these things. So first important thing is a leader should lead the team, okay, work with them to attain whatever we do. That is the first important thing. Okay. So can you give me an example of any of the leader that you like and his why you like him?
Okay, ma'am. To give an example, I would choose Kamalathar, as you know, he is CM in some time. He leads everything very perfectly. He just not think about himself alone, but also the people who follow him. And also a leader is someone who creates leaders, not followers. And also he should stand in front of you in your failure and stand behind you in your success. That's what some makes a leader. And
Definitely, he is really a good leader worldwide. Everyone knows him for his decisions and how he has ruled the ideas, everything. So leadership is that is what. So when you are about to learn about the leadership skills, you have to remember first thing is teamwork. Then about the leader should have a good vision. The vision is not an individual vision, and you always should inspire somebody. So being assertive is very very important. You will not command. You will not be very aggressive towards your team members. Yes, you can listen, you can advise, not advise, you can go with their ideas, share your opinions, and move on. So, a good leader, okay, so a good leader should possess qualities. What are the qualities?
okay, the major qualities that should be followed by someone to possess a good leadership is that, as ma'am told, the first thing is visionary thinking. That is, he should set the goal, he should set his vision higher, like without thinking about the obstacles or difficulties behind it. It should be higher even without those difficulties. The next thing is that he should encourage the people around him to motivate and to achieve bigger tasks in their life too. And the next thing is that adaptability. He should get adapted to his surroundings quickly, and he should also have that quality of learning quickly. To go through the process of quick learning, so that he can possess a good leadership.
Yes. So other than that, like when you learn about or when you want to be a leader, yes. So these are the things. That is, first thing is you should be a big inspiration to your team. Second thing is you have to walk with the team. So teamwork is very, very important. Team cooperation is very, very important. Vision is very, very important. Because we are working towards one goal. So that concept you should always have in your mind. It is not my work, it is our work. So that leadership quality is very, very, you have so many qualities. So whereas the first and foremost important thing is you have to think about the team. Okay, so I would like to ask any other traits that you would like to mention about the leadership qualities.
Yes, you have all said a leader should be influencing and motivating the team. And I strongly believe that he or she should not be dominating or controlling. Like only their opinion matters. That's a negative, a great big negative quality of a leader. So a leader should not be like that. We should consider every person's opinion, and we should know how to work as a team. So, and talking about the qualities, the communication plays a big role for a leader.
Excellent, excellent. That was the thing that I expected. So the most important trait that is important thing that a leader should possess is good communication skill. Because so whatever I say, I should persuade my team members. Okay, so persuasion is another important skill that all leaders should have. So communication is very important. So whatever I talk, I should be very clear with my points. Okay. Then anybody else would like to tell any other points other than communication? So problem solving skill, adaptability. So I should be very adaptable. I should not stand on my point. Yes. So when you give me a suggestion, so if I'm not a person who's adapting to the situations, then I'm not a good leader. So not only to the suggestions with our team members, sometimes we even have a ego clash with the members itself. So when a person who is very adaptive in that case, so I'm adjustable with everyone. I can even like sit in a place, go with the yes, not just the points. So likewise, so adaptability is a very, very important thing again. So communication plays another role, adaptability and the team work, visionary thing, foremost important. So other than that, you have problem solving skill. A leader should have a problem solving skill. So you should be able to come to a conclusion from all your suggestions. Otherwise, that will be difficult. All the effort will be waste. Okay, so that is also another thing. So you have so much when you think about the leadership skills, because skill is not just one or two. You have so many things. So in that, if you possess these things, good communication, adaptability, problem solving, a good vision that first you should have towards your goal. Okay, so all these things will definitely make a person a good leader. Okay, so let us also discuss about it detail in the next class.
Thank you.